Hey everyone, if Excalidraw suddenly displays an unexpected error message, crashes while loading, refuses to open drawings, or stops working without a clear explanation, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw unexpected errors in 2026. First, refresh the page or restart the application and try again. Temporary glitches are one of the most common causes of unexpected errors and can often be resolved with a simple restart. If the error appears when opening a specific drawing, try opening a different file. If other drawings work normally, the issue may be related to a corrupted project rather than Excalidraw itself. You should also verify that your internet connection is stable if you're using the web version. Interrupted connections can occasionally cause errors during loading, saving, or synchronization. Another helpful step is disabling browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, and script blockers can interfere with Excalidraw and generate unexpected errors. And that's how to fix Excalidraw unexpected errors in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, clearing cache, disabling conflicting extensions, and checking file integrity will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.